Hey guys, JD here, and this is my Kawasaki STX 15F jet ski. Now the engine in this ski is completely locked up, so in this video I'll be conducting the initial teardown. This STX 15F build is sponsored by Kawi Performance. Visit them online at kawiperformance.com. Alright, let's start ripping this thing down. So I just want to show you, you see all that right there? That is metal shavings. You could even see some there. So hopefully it's not too bad. We really won't know what to expect until we get this thing completely apart though. Got all the cam cap bolts off. The tensioner is off. This is all coming apart, so doesn't really. Wow, look, the engine's full of salt. Got a new cylinder and a new head, so not worried about that. Just got to get to the case and see how bad that crank is. That looks pretty milky. All right, so now I'm gonna lift the rest of the block out here. Hey, someone's socket. Look at that. Looks like it's a 10. Someone always loses a 10. All right. Oh boy. Look at all that metal in there. Three, two, so now we're gonna see how fucked this is. Oh boy. Well, you could see right here where the crank has been grinding against the casing. So the bearings are cooked. All right, so I want to give you guys a closer look at some of the failure points here. So these cases are going right in the trash, obviously, but I just wanted to show you what happens. So you can see that the crankshaft was pushed into the casing here. You can see all that ground away metal, to a lesser degree in the back. But and then I showed you that thrust washer that was completely mangled. And our bearings were also pretty mangled and melted. A lot of material missing. The top of the case, the same thing. You have some melting and a lot of scoring. You can see the crank itself has a lot of metal missing as well. All right, so this is my old head, and I'm currently tearing it down and I'm removing the valves and springs, and I just wanted to show you really quickly how I'm doing that. So these valves are all going to be sent out to be cleaned and recut for use in my new head. So basically, I've got everything out except for these two exhaust valves, all right? So you're going to need a tool like this one right here. And basically, it's really simple. You put that on that end. Can't really do this with one hand, but... So once you depress this part of the tool, you can see that that presses the valve down. Then I use this magnet here just to grab them off. Then slowly release tension, just like that. And then I just use this magnet, and you can see that removes the rest of the spring assembly. And then the valve here, just pull right out. There's a look at one of the exhaust valves from this engine.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.